no longer just urging. It is resolving. So I think that is a very positive change, that has been made in Parliament. So I believe that these motions will be, after they are passed, they can be implemented. The Honorable Mudende?
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for this opportunity to contribute to this very important motion by my colleague, Honorable Gisairo. And though he is one term and I'm two term, this is for Kenya and we stand together. I must say, for constituencies like where I come from, Mbeere North, which has been marginalized for very long, the main thing we can offer our people is education. Quality education will guarantee their success in future. Unfortunately, this is not so because of a myriad of factors, some of which are going to be addressed by this motion if adopted. One, most of our students go to C4 schools, yeah? And you find that the infrastructure in these schools, which is addressed by point number 3, is not adequate. Most schools don't even have laboratories, they don't have enough teachers, some schools don't even have enough classrooms. And it's not always that most of the students in these schools are there because of poor grades. There are some students who cannot afford these other schools and they end up in a C4 school. Imagine if you have a student who has qualified for C1, they cannot afford and they end up in a C4 and you condemn them, yeah, because of poor infrastructure. Sometimes they don't even have science teachers and you end up messing the life of such a student. That's why I really support this motion. Point number 3, ensure the ministry, when you register a school, let it not just be to increase the number of registered schools. Let the infrastructure be sufficient. Let them have enough teachers so that if you end up with a student who has qualified for a C1 school in a C4 school, then they are guaranteed of success. And as mentioned by a member of parliament here during the contribution, there are C4 schools which are doing very well, but if you look at those schools, they have proper infrastructure. Most of them are near towns, like I have such a school in my constituency. Now, coming to capitation. So you have a school which registers very few students in terms of enrollment, and they have the same infrastructure. They need a gate man, they need a cook, they pay for electricity. So if you have few students, it means even if you get capitation, and I know most members of parliament here through bursaries, they support schools, then the school cannot even support payment of support staff. So it's important that we look at this recalibration, that's the word used in this motion, so that we don't end up with overcrowding in some schools, so they have...
Order. Honorable Gachagua, you have a point of order?
Sorry. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Yeah, I wanted to request under Standing Order number 95, whether that we are all in agreement, whether we can maybe, Madam Speaker, request the mover to reply. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Before I check whether it's a mood of the House, I will allow the Honorable Amudende to finish.
Yeah. Thank you, Madam Speaker. So, to make it short, is we need to ensure quality in our schools, quality of education, good infrastructure so that our students do not get a road deal. And this is a bill that is, this is a motion. This is a motion that we actually need to support as this House because it will help all Kenyan learners. With that, Madam Speaker, I support the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Muthende. Honorable Member.